you know, some of the most money that we've ever made in our cleaning business, it did not come from adding on a new service, and it didn't even come from raising our prices. You know, it actually came from doing the little things, doing more of those little things, and just getting better at doing the little things. You know, I woke up this morning and that Boyz II Men song was in my head. They used to have a song back in the day called Little Things Mean a Lot. And I was thinking about that song today and thinking about all the little things that we used to do when we first started the cleaning company that still work to this day. And a lot of y'all just need to just do a little more of it.
Like, become your own secret shopper, you know, and take yourself like you are a client and you want to go through the process of figuring out, like, what is it like to get a general cleaning? What is it like to get a cleaning period? Just take yourself through your website, take yourself through your whole process and see, are there any gaps?
Right, right. So becoming your own, what do you call it? Mystery shopping?
Yeah, secret shopper.
Become a secret shopper for your cleaning company.
Yeah.
Like, you buy from your own cleaning company and you can literally find all of the gaps in between. See if your virtual assistant is answering the phone. These are little things that we do in our cleaning company. We'll just like become a secret shopper for our own business. Right? So I'm calling my phone just to see if my VA is picking up what she's saying. You know, we call from a different number, you know, or maybe have somebody else call and just listen in just to see, you know, is she handling the call right? Did she follow all the protocols? Check your website out.
You know what I mean?
Book through your website. Book your
thing. Like, how is your onboarding system with your clients? Are you welcoming them on to your cleaning company? Are you showing them the proper expectations? Like, what happens next? Do they know that they're going to get an onboarding call to get onboarded to Slack? Like, is there any type of welcome packet? Like, what happens when a client comes in? Like, you know what I mean?
Yeah, and also, I know y'all hear this all the time, but I'm going to say it again, and I'm going to say it on every freaking video. Y'all need to start following up.
I mean,
and if you're not following up, you need to get a CRM. You need to get some sort of automation that automatically follows up with your clients. But it's so much power in following up. Y'all be thinking that, oh, the client, they don't want us, they going with another person. Yeah, they going with the person that's bugging them the most, probably. Right? Or sometimes you got to understand the world that we live in, right? It's 2026. And everything's moving fast, and everybody's attention span is all over the place. I know me as a business owner, my attention span be gone sometimes, right? So sometimes people got to hit me up like 2 and 3 times in my email, and I'm like, oh yeah, I remember you did call me a month ago. Yeah, I wasn't ready then to talk to you, but I'm ready now. What you got for me? Okay, that's how I operate. Like, if I wasn't ready then, if you keep on showing up in my email, I keep seeing your ads.
Right.
When I need that service, then I'll reach out to you. Okay, but a lot of y'all just not following up enough. You got to follow up. You got to keep sending those emails out. You got to keep calling. Yo, I don't know why people be scared. I have not met so many cleaning business owners that are scared to pick up the damn phone and talk. You're a business owner. How the hell you scared to talk to people?
Yeah, that's another thing you guys can work on, is just learning how to communicate.
Little things.
You know what I mean?
Little
just
things.
Talking to people, passing, like, how to overcome objections when they're talking. You know what I mean? Like, just understanding how to talk to people, period.
You won't worry. Y'all be worried about the new AI, the new system, the new CRM, the new software, when you really just need to just focus on the little things. Okay? Like, I made multiple 6 figures in my cleaning business doing all the little stuff, doing all the basic stuff, right? Before we got to all the techie stuff, we was doing all the basic stuff, and the basic stuff was still working. It worked back then and it works now. So I don't know why people think that this stuff don't work. If I had to take it back and do it all over again, I'm gonna do all the basic stuff first, because you gotta think about it. Look, you start all over, and if you're starting all over from scratch, like I did, I didn't have anything when I started, right? You start all over from scratch, what you gonna do? I'm gonna pick up the phone and talk to people. I'm gonna go walk in some buildings and talk to people. Right? Okay, it's only gonna help build up your what do you call it? What's the word I'm trying?
Character, like momentum.
It's gonna build that momentum up. Your saleswomanship. It's gonna build it up. I'm telling you.
Right.
It's gonna build you up, and that's really what got us, you know, got us better at speaking, you know, in front of clients, and even learning our own systems and learning what to say over the phone. You get better over time, y'all.
Yeah, and I think people get discouraged when they hear that no. And even if you hear a no, you become numb to it, to the point where you're like, you know what, it's to be expected. I'm gonna move on to the next person.
Yes, I always tell y'all, you gotta have dinosaur skin.
Right.
You gotta have dinosaur skin in this game. When you signed up to get that damn LLC, you gotta have some tough skin for this game, because people are going to tell you no, 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 no. Right? It might be a while before you get a yes, 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 but you gotta keep going at it, man, if you really care about your company. Or else, you know, might be time to tap on out and go get a job. And we don't really want to do that, right? Don't really want to do that. But you know, I'm not even gonna lie. I kind of feel like entrepreneur isn't for everybody. But that's a whole nother video. On this video, we only talk. We supposed to be talking about the little things that mean a lot.
Well, I think we covered a lot.
Y'all get what we saying on this video.
Yeah.
Go listen to that song by Boyz II Men. Little things mean a lot. Appreciate what you got. I'm an 80s baby, y'all. All right, y'all. Bye. Get out of here.